Hello, my name is Stefan Wintermeyer. I will show you today how to create nested forms with vanilla version of Ruby on Rails 4.2. Nested forms are forms where the user can not only edit the main model but also nested models, like has many associations. I will describe that with a hotel and room category scenario. So let me first create a new Rails application. CD into that, create a scaffold for hotel, create a scaffold for room category, do a RakeDB migrate, and configure the hotel model that has many room categories. Dependent destroy, and let's add a validation for the name. And I always like to have a to_s method. Okay, let's save that. Let's have a look in the room category model. Okay, we'll add the same validation here for the name. And the to_s method. Now we need some example data, so let me include that with a snap. We have 2 hotels, and for each hotel we create room categories. So let's do a RakeDB reset, and let's start the Rails server in our second terminal. And let's have a look. Yeah, the hotels are there. Now we want to show the available room categories on the show view of a hotel. So hotel show HTML ERB, that's the correct view for that. And let's print out a message if none is available. Okay, let's test that. Undefined method room category. There's a typo. Here it is. Room categories, and here we go. We want to change or edit the room categories for each room in the same form, so we want to have it available in this form. Let's have a look in the form hotel. So that's our form, everything normal, and we wanna add room category categories. So the fields for, that's the helper which makes it possible for us to create a nested form. This is just for CSS. And now the field category label name. Okay, let's test that. So it shows room categories. It shows an empty field here, but it should show these two room categories here. So what we have to add now is we have to go to the hotel model and add a accepts nested attributes for room categories. So let me put that here. Now it's going to work. Yes. Now we have the room categories. Let's see if we can change that. Test. No, we can't. Why is that? We have to have a look in the console. Let me see. Okay, here we are. That's our problem. Unpermitted parameters, room categories, attributes. We have to add these to the strong parameters whitelist in the controller. And go to the button, and this is a whitelist of parameters we can actually use in a form. It's a security feature of Rails 4. And we want to have ID and name of a room category. So let's try it again. Edit. Test, update, and it works. Perfect. Now it would be good if we could actually add a room category here too. So like having an empty field here, and that's pretty easy to do. We just go to the controller of the hotel, and in the edit view we build a new room category. So whenever we go to this page, the edit view, we have a good to go test room category already there. Edit and a new one. The problem is now if we update it, we get a validation error because we included validation for the name, but we don't want to actually create this. So we have to tell accept nested attributes to reject that, and I'll show you how to do that. Reject if proc attributes name blank. So now if we update that, no new room category is created. But it would be nice to have the same functionality when we create a hotel, like a good to go room category here. But that's easy too. We go to the hotel controller and we just copy this line and paste it here. So we have the hotel room categories built in the new and the edit. Obviously we could try up that, but we just keep it like it is right now, just to show you how to do that. And now we have a test and test, create hotel, back. Yeah, so we have our test hotel with the test room category. Now we have to find a way to be able to delete one of these room categories in the same form. So like a checkbox here for deleting it. That's possible too. We just have to tell accept nested attributes for that we want to, allow that, allow destroy true, and that gives us the possibility to add a checkbox in the form. Views hotel form, and we go to that form and add room category checkbox underscore destroy. You have to name this exactly this way. Room category label underscore destroy remove. Let's have a look. Oops. Syntax. Let me have a look. Sorry for that. Okay, and here we go. Now we have the remove checkboxes here, but to get them working, we have to add them in the whitelist, like we did with the other parameters. Destroy. Okay, now let's have a look. Destroy this one, and we're good. So now we can edit a hotel room with has many room categories. We can add them, we can remove them. Obviously this doesn't look very nice right now, but it's just a vanilla Ruby on Rails version, so feel free to add CSS to that. Please send me feedback if you like the screencast or if you have wishes for further screencasts.